Oh fuck! I'm up against that crazy Corsa.
Look at the turbo with that thing.
Just start up. Is that it?
We're gonna get fucking hammered. I'm gonna film him leaving us behind, yeah?
Oh, I'm so beating him.
You fucking ain't.
That camera behind's gonna get me beating him.
Yeah,
he's gonna do a burnout.
Probably.
Oh, fuck!
Days. Oh, we've had it. We've bloody.
Oh shit!
Fucking Christ, Ben.
What have I got myself into?
A lot of shit. Fucking Jesus, he's gone. miles an hour in a Corsa.
Is that where he went? Fuck!
Insane.
What did I do?
I don't know, I weren't paying attention.
Fuck!
I was on that all the time. Jesus Christ.
Fuck.
That
I lost.
A bloody quick car.
I think I lost. Yeah, so I lost that only because, I mean, I've got extra weight. Right? Otherwise I would have won. He's behind me now, like, intimidating me.
Is he like right behind you?
Yeah. Oh, I nearly had him. I nearly had him.
It was close. It was really close. Really close.
Wow, that was...
I've never seen a Corsa go like it.
I wasn't really expecting that.
That was insane. That was bloody fun.
Let's we'll wave him past and show you what he looks like. Right. This is what I just went up against. It's got a parachute. It's got a parachute on it. I mean, I've just got like a Tesco bag.
That's some Fast and Furious shit, isn't it?
God. So the Corsa behind just thrashed me, and now he wants to have some more fun.
He probably wants to talk to you.
I mean, to be honest, I almost let him win. I almost had him.
Mind you, we can't open his window, can we?
Yeah. It was close.
That is mental. That's absolutely mental. That is mental. Proper quick. Oh.
Oh, I almost had you.
It was close.
A few minutes later.
Here we go. Recording people. Recording. Oh fuck, we put the back one back on.
Yeah, done it.
This is how it's going to be.
Right.
Is he going to do a burnout as well? Yeah, he's doing a burnout. This is going to go down, Ben. Oh, you're too far, I think. I don't worry,
the extra weight. It's the extra weight.
It's my fat arse.
It's the extra weight, you know, we'll have to do it, you know.
5 minutes later.
Okay, the racing has came to a halt because it's lunchtime. So we're gonna have to wait another 45 minutes till 1:30, I think. And then go again. Not sure who I'm going against yet. The only reason I lost last time, I have extra weight, but I forgot to wear my gloves. It's my racing excuses. I forgot to wear my gloves. That's the only reason. So far my luck has not been good.
Bugger, that sounds good, doesn't it?
I've got these gloves on.
That's what's going to win it. Your gloves. You're going to win it. And if you don't, we're going to edit it, so we do.
Come on, gloves. Got to change gear differently. Oh no, yeah, that's...
Oh, we're getting on.
Here we go.
We've managed it. Oh dear. Actually, that don't sound too good going down there, do it? Sounds like something might have gone wrong.
Oh no, he's just done an awesome burnout.
Yeah, he did.
Which means it's probably quite good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna win!
We got this one, Ben.
I told you, it's my lucky gloves. I can't lose. I physically can't lose this. Right.
Right, you got to
Lucky
fucking hit
gloves.
it, Ben.
Come on, here we go. 0.6 time reaction. How did that feel?
Oh, that felt pretty good.
Well, I feel not too bad.
Let's get those windows open.
Yeah.
It's bloody warm in here.
Oh. Don't know how good it was. Wow.
I think that's probably the best run yet.
Yeah. It's all about the gloves. It's all about the gloves.
Oh, there you go. We'll see, we'll see.
Right, ready?
Got to fucking thrash him.
It's a terrible start.
We're pulling him in, we're pulling him in.
Oh!
Go on, get him, get him, get him. Yes!
Yes!
We won! Woo! Get him, we won one.
I finally won one. I had a terrible start.
That was awesome.
We're gonna go to the next one.
Get in, boy. That's how we done.
My lucky gloves.
That one's going to be interesting, isn't it, Ben?
Right, so we got Mustang and GTR, they're going against each other. It looks like I'm going against the Audi A3, which has got some kind of tuning sticker, so it's been tuned.
It's the S3.
The S3.
It's going to be
Yeah, well,
interesting.
I'm going. I think I am, unless he's holding back. I'm not sure what he wants to do. Unless he wants to go on his own. No, he wants to race me. Great.
Well, he clearly wants to lose.
Yeah. So, going up against S3,
Running Nos.
and I'm not confident because that's quick. That's a quick car. Alright.
Look at that GTR though, in that Summit. Ooh.
Come on, lucky gloves. Come on, lucky gloves.
Oh, yeah.
Is he coming?
Yeah, he's coming. Notice he don't do it. You don't need to, you've got launch control. Well, I suppose the Mustang has as well, to be honest. So here we go,
Wait
man.
for the smoke to settle.
He's going to leave us, by the way.
Yeah, that Audi. There's no point watching the rest of the video because we know what's going to happen. Audi's going to win, I'm going to lose. But let's give it a go anyway, because you've got to try.
It's not over till the fat lady sings.
Yeah.
Or in this case, the S3 goes over the line before we do.
Right, let's do it all over again.
Say goodbye.
No, he ain't gone.
Where did he go?
I've won this one. I've won it. Oh shit.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh no! No!
Oh, fuck no!
What the
No
fuck?
way!
What the fuck?
That's
What?
even got Ben swearing.
He had a 4-second head start. I had a 4-second head start. What?
That thing's quick.
What? What the fuck? I thought, oh, he ain't. He's stalled it. Something's happened. 4 seconds his reaction time was. I had a 4-second head start. Wow. Shit.
So we knew that was going to happen.
Yeah.
Just
yeah.
not quite as badly as that.
So, yeah, oh yeah, I knew who was going to win, but I didn't know who was going to like really win.
He bloody
So
annihilated
much
us.
that he let me go most of the way down the track before he shot past me.
What we'll do is we'll drive in like this. We'll just
Yeah.
hang our heads.
I'm sad. Wow, that was.
We don't want to go against him again.
Yeah. Now we know what he's packing. Imagine what the commentator said. Oh,
He's probably pissing himself.
yeah, everyone's laughing, clapping, joking. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassment.
Well, you know it's trouble if it even made him swear, so yeah. On that
Yeah.
one, we is out. Bye.
Right. Rear window's open. Right, so yeah, I got thrashed on the Audi. It humiliated me. I've got a VW camper van.
I don't know if we're going to get him.
I don't know.
He might
I don't
go
know.
with them, and then, yeah, he's going to go with the GTR. Unless the GTR goes on his
If
own.
we got the camper, it's got a huge engine.
Can you hear that? Well, look,
Oh, maybe he's going against GTR.
he's going against the GTR. Now, I'd love to see the outcome of this,
Oh no.
because he's got a lot of power in that.
No, we are going against
Oh
GTR.
no, no,
Oh,
we're gonna lose again. we've already talked a little bit of smack.
Yeah, we talked some shit to him and told him like this is like a crazy turbo car.
We pulled up behind us and we said, "You ready to lose?"
Yeah, you and your tin camper,
Yeah,
Sado. It's really nice. I actually really like it.
it is. It's a wicked, man.
I mean, the engine on it. Yeah. I'll beat it. That guy said you better beat it. Oh, I will. I will beat it.
We're not beating
I
that
won't.
car. We are not beating that car.
Right. I'm not even nervous about this one. It's just fun.
We know it's gonna happen.
Yeah, we
it's
know.
Inevitable. It's gonna happen.
That
We are
one's gonna
lose.
win. I'm gonna lose against a camper van. Right. Let's do this. He's gonna do a burnout as well, I guess.
See if we can get some footage of it. I can't really see properly.
Yeah. Oh, these two are going now. Get these two.
So it's gonna get the end. I can't get the end bit.
Oh, that's what I'm up against. Fudge.
We got this!
Fudge. Right.
Do you reckon he's going to go straight off from the line, or is he going to leave us behind like the other one did, make us look really silly? I think he's going to go straight away as well.
He's winning. He's winning. Woo!
Wasn't quite as bad as the Audi.
Oh yeah.
Still good though.
Wow. Listen to that. We'll carry on as well.
Yeah, go up to him. See if we can have a chat.
Wow.
So I'm not getting very good.
That's
quick.
good for a camper.
That's bloody quick.
And it's just started to rain.
It's just started to rain.
I almost had him, but because the wide angle on the...
It makes it look a lot further away.
Yeah,
You see.
it
I
makes
don't
it
think
look
he's
like...
interested in something for a chat either.
No. Wow.
That's all, folks.